In this video, I'm going to share with you how I found 5 hot selling Etsy products in a very, very good niche and how I did it in 5 minutes. Now, let me just say, a lot of people that are getting started on Etsy, this is where they have the most trouble. And one of the reasons why is because they're not going after a niche. And what I want to do is I want to show you the process that I would go through if I was starting a brand new Etsy shop. Now, we're not just talking about selling t-shirts. Yes, we can sell them, and you probably should if you have a good niche. But I'm going to show you also a little bit later on how we can find these products, create a product suite, and then we can turn that into a brand. Then we can build that out to really dominate this space. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. So stick around. I'm going to show you some real examples and we're going to talk through this together. Now, there's a couple of things that we can do. We can either think off the top of our head, what are we interested in? Or we can go to Etsy and we can let them tell us what are some popular things, popular categories to get our wheels turning. So that's what I did in this case. So let me walk you through this process, which again, can be done in 5 minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Etsy and I'm going to start to see what Etsy is recommending to me. Now here we can see it says holiday magic starts with these merry finds. So right away I can look at seasonal decor, cozy clothing, jewelry gifts, gifts for the home, gifts for kids on sale. That's kind of broad. It's not really niche specific. It's telling me who it could be for, like gifts for home or cozy clothing. But here's the magic. And this is what I want to share with you. Look at this over here. This is Gift Finder. Find unique gifts by interest. This is really, really powerful. So we have pizza, sunflower, seashell, mushroom, pressed flowers. You get the point. But here's where I went. Indoor gardening kind of got my interest. And the reason why is because my daughter actually is into indoor gardening. So I thought of her and I said, let's see what happens here if I drill into this category or this niche. This is what we would call a niche. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and let's see what it brings up. Well, you can see right here, it says fresh gift ideas in indoor gardening. So then what I can do is click on indoor gardening gifts and then I'm presented with this. What an amazing find, right? Well, here's what I did. I looked at here where it said Etsy's picks in indoor gardening gifts, okay? And now I can just scroll through here and I can see, maybe popular now. Let's see, anything else? Popular now. So all of these, this sign right here kind of drew my eye a little bit. We've got some cute shirts, but I want to know what is selling the best. Now, I am going to be using a tool called Everbee. And yes, I am an affiliate for Everbee. I will earn a cup of coffee if you go through my link and you get to try it for free. If you want to do so, just head on over to brandcreators.com/Everbee and you can use it for free for 10 searches. All right, no credit card required. So check it out. But that's what I'm going to be using. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and click Product Analytics and we're going to pull in some of this data to let us know how these listings are doing. So it's actually looking through 70 listings right now. Then I'm going to sort right here, estimated monthly sales. So this first one right here, which looks like it's something for inside the shower. So that doesn't really interest me. But what I'm looking for is something that I know I could probably sell. Well, here's a shirt. So we're going to start with shirts, even though I don't want my whole business, my whole brand to be around shirts because it's so competitive. But what this tells me is that 230 of these have sold. Now, what that's telling me is that this market is buying stuff. We're going to look at the shirt here in a minute, but this gardening, this indoor gardening, these people are buying stuff or people are buying gifts for these people, right? It's a community of people. So here it's made $3,671. That's estimated revenue. It's had 4,177 sales total. And let's see, it's been selling for 18 months. So about a year and a half, not too bad. Okay. So that gives me some intel. So let me click here and let's see what it looks like. Things I do in my spare time. Repot plants, water plants, buy plants. So it's basically saying someone that's kind of addicted to gardening, this would be their shirt. right? And you can see here, if I go all of these different sizes, it's $17.70. Not making a ton of money, but it shows me that there's definitely interest in this market, because I'm thinking now product line. What else could I sell if someone bought this one shirt? That's always what I'm thinking about, and that's what you should be thinking about. So this shirt has kind of just gotten me interested and said, okay, one check, one product. This is definitely selling, and I could probably create something similar. So let's move on. So we're going to go back here, and then this one caught my eye. Okay. And it's called Plant Lady Cursive. So this one has sold 214. It's made $2,782. It's made 6,650 sales. And let's see, it's been selling for 31 months. So almost 3 years. Okay. That's pretty good. So let's go ahead and see what this is. Plant Lady. Again, who would buy this? The same person that bought the shirt. Okay. Or the person that buys this could buy the shirt. You see what we're doing there? Now, here's where these companies like Shelby Sells Co., they're not just about gardening. So if I click into their shop, you can see it does look like they cater towards a lot of gardeners. Now, there's some other things here like wears black, loves coffee, avoids people. That doesn't really have anything to do with gardening, but they put it in there and it's selling. Maybe that was one of their first products. Who knows? But most of these products are for the plant person. So what I can do is I can go right here and I could run this on this page. Okay, this page with all of these listings, and I can see what is their top sellers, what kind of volume are they doing on some of these other products. So let's sort here by sales. So looking at this is the top seller. This one here is a product which I think it's about coffee. So not really related to the plant thing, but probably launched it maybe before they launched anything else. But this one here is selling 30, so one a day. This one here is selling 10, 10, 10, 10, 5. So doing a little bit throughout all of these different products, but this is their main one, okay? But their product line is pretty much the same cup, just with different sayings on it. So why not mix it up? This person should be adding other things, which I'm going to be walking you through that I am finding that I would do. All right, so that's that. So let's go back here. This is, once again, the page that I pulled with indoor gardening gifts that Etsy gave me, okay? And let's look at this here. I like this one. This kind of drew my eye, something different. I don't know if I can get it, but it's worth looking at. So this here is really, really good. It's personalized. We can personalize stuff. This looks like a piece of manufactured rock or something, probably a plastic. And we would have to locate one of these and see if we can get this done print on demand. But it's another product that potentially could be sold to this same person, right? Let's see what this product is actually doing in sales. So looking at these numbers, I mean, they're kind of crazy. Total sales, 28, but estimated sales, 197 per month. So this might be something that I would want to explore. Can I get this done print on demand? Can I find a manufacturer that would do these for me? I don't know, but it's definitely something that I would look into. That's another product that would be sold to a gardener. You see where we're going here? So let's go ahead and see something else. Here's another one I found. Another shirt, 177 sales per month, $23.90 in revenue. Total sales to date, $28.87, and it's been selling for 16 months. All right, so once again, I'm going to click in here. Hoeing ain't easy. And then it's just got a bunch of different things that represents a gardener. Okay, so another product. Now it sells for $9, but probably when we go in here, there's different sizes. But yeah, it looks like it's very inexpensive. So not necessarily something that I would sell for that price, but it shows me that the volume is there, and I just have to find products like this that are going to pertain to that customer. All right. And then I did find one other one I wanted to share with you, which I thought was really, really good. And that's this one right here. Check this out. Aunt Tata's Garden. Okay. So a personalized bumblebee garden stake. Do you think that a gardener would want this in their garden? Absolutely. And check out what just happened. This thing just came up. Better hurry, buy now and save $10.75 because there must be a sale, which there is. It's 25% off. So this came in. This is another cool thing that when you are on Etsy, they're going to be promoting to you as you are the one purchasing. So you just saw that in real time. This thing just popped up. So now you might be wondering like, well, Scott, but t-shirts, mugs, like that stuff's easy to get print on demand, but how do you create a sign like this? Well, there's a company out there called T-Launch. And I found this before I got on here because I wanted to share this with you, but check this out. I can have that sign made. Okay. So It's very, very doable. Okay, you can personalize this. You can have different types of designs made, all of that stuff. T-Launch, check it out. I'm not affiliated with them. I do use them for some of our products, but I wanted to share that is the resource. Everyone is thinking about t-shirts and mugs. That's it. There's so many other avenues that we can go down. There's so many other products that you can be selling using print-on-demand services like this right here, like a metal sign, like I just shared with you. So I can keep going here and just keep picking out products and seeing if it's something that I potentially could add to this product line. So like I said at the beginning, what would I do if I was building out this brand? Number one, I already validated that it's a great niche with a ton of volume and people are passionate about gardening. All right. Now, what would I do? I would start launching products and I would probably start with the easiest ones. I would probably start with the t-shirts. And then from there, those t-shirt designs, I'd probably put on coffee mugs. And then from the coffee mugs, I'd probably put it on tumblers. And then I would do maybe the metal sign. And then I would go ahead and try to look for that rock or something similar that could be put in a garden and then put a nice saying on it. Those are the different things that I would do. And this is exactly what my wife is doing for her Etsy shop right now, getting inspiration from doing this type of research and then making it her own and really just coming up with her own designs, but getting creative ideas from other people that are selling similar products. And that's it. That's what we're doing. So hopefully this has shown you how you can find products, but also how you can find good, profitable niches that you can build a brand in. So listen, if you've enjoyed this video so far, go ahead and smash the like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know if there's any questions that you have on this that I just went over. And if you did enjoy this video, I'm gonna put another video right here to watch next. That's gonna show you a test that we recently did in my wife's shop where we launched 30 products in 30 days and I share with you the results of what happened. Check it out. And once again, I truly enjoyed making this video for you. Hopefully you got a ton of value out of it and I'll see you in the next video.